Alright, here's a 2205-0769. This is number 2 of the lady divers that came in. This watch here, well, also is going to receive a mechanical restoration, light case work. Make sure to keep these nice edges, not to over polish, over buff. Overall condition is fair. You know, it's got some issues. It's an older watch, but an overall, you see on the very back lugs right there, you got some deep scratches. Sides look pretty good. Loom's in really good condition. Gonna redo. Gonna put a sapphire crystal in this one as well. So yep, stay tuned for this one here. So again, it's a 2205-0769.